I'll show you the coldest place of this universe. You might think it's somewhere in the deep space, but no, you are wrong. It's inside a lab on Earth. The experiment was performed in the cold atom lab, making temperatures even colder than outer space. Scientists actually cooled atoms down to almost absolute zero temperature, the temperature where atoms stops moving at all. At that point, matter starts behaving in a really strange way, forming a weird quantum state called Bose-Einstein Condensate. And when it gets that cold, thousands of atoms stop acting like individuals and behave like one giant atom, exploding head. Physics gets weird here. Reality starts to look very different here.